So we got these drawstrings, which are great for sweatpants or hoodies or whatever and stuff. And it came with a plastic drawstring threader, which is this plastic thing right here. And what I did was I put one of these drawstrings into the threader. It's got a couple different size holes there. And then I started threading it through these shorts here. Now you'll see there's already a drawstring in there, but this one is sewn in. So we're going to have to cut it to get it off, but it's too stretchy, it's too elasticy, it doesn't actually hold anything up, because when you pull it, it will when you pull it, it will stretch, of course. And so what we're going to do is we're going to thread this other one in, make sure we can get this one in, and then if we can get it all the way around the pair of shorts, we'll cut this other stretchy drawstring that is really to no avail. It does no good whatsoever into the shorts there. But you can see this drawstring threader, it just threads through the waistband or the hood, or if it's for a hoodie drawstring or whatever, and it's just a hard plastic thread or needle thing here, and it's actually going all the way around to, it's over halfway around. It goes to here. You can see it's coming from there. It's going all the way around to this point right here is where the end of it is. I'll show you. I just bend it right there. You can kind of see that right there. But this threader is going to be handy for a lot of things. I can just imagine, you know, doing all kinds of drawstrings for all different kinds of things. But we're going to go ahead and finish threading this through. In fact, you can do it. Here, come here. Okay, you can feel the threader is right here in the waistband.
Yep.
And then you're just going to pull it all the way. Keep pushing it all the way through.
Pushing it through. Okay, cool.
No, not that way. This way. Towards you.
Okay.
Yep.
So it's kind of like, you know, how you used to use safety pins.
Exactly.
Take you forever.
Yep. Yep.
Yeah. Hey, that's pretty nifty.
And then now the end of it here with your new drawstring is just getting to the hole, so it's just barely getting
right there,
threaded
almost.
in there.
Okay.
See if we can get it around there.
Okay.
I'll probably pause it here. So we came out the other hole now, and you can see that the other end is still around here, and you've got the drawstring there. So you're going to pull that out, and it should pull that drawstring all the way through.
Yep, there it comes. There it is. Look at that.
Yep, you got the blue, you got the dark one there? Yep.
All
right, good.
How nifty is that?
Okay, it's through a hole in this threader here, so we just take it out of the hole.
It's like a big plastic needle, like
it is kind of just like that, yeah. And then this just slides out of there.
Just slide it out of there.
Yep. And then ta-da, then we'll cut these old ones off so that you don't have to worry about those.
Cool.
Because they're sewn in, they don't just pull out. I thought it would just pull out, but anyway, good stuff. That worked out really, really nicely.
Yeah,
thanks
really
for sending that to us. They sent that to us so we could show it to you, and that worked pretty slick. I mean, that's something that would have taken like probably 45 minutes or something,
for sure,
or longer, and then that took like less than 5 minutes. So good deal.